Right, okay, so welcome back to the channel, BKM Tech Reviews. So I hope everybody's doing well and okay on this hot day. It's very hot in the UK today. So in the video today, I am going to be reviewing some wireless earbuds. So these are the Soundpeats Pop Clip 2. So these are them in the box. So we're going to be looking at these headphones today. See what they're, well, tell you what they're like, the comfort and how they sit in your ears as well. So, Soundpeats did send these out to me. So let's just get straight into the video and have a look at these wireless earbuds. Okay, so here is the Soundpeats Pop Clip 2 headphones in the box. So we're just gonna have a look at them. So these are them in the box. So as you can see, high resolution audio, wireless LDAC, Pop Clip 2. This is their new version. So there's their little logo there. Here the difference. And these have a 12mm dynamic driver, 48 hours playtime, and self-adapted left-right audio channels in the charging case. So we're just going to get these open and have a look. So let's get these open now. So in here you've just got some basic instructions in there, and then you've got the headphones in here. Have a look at them in a minute. And then underneath here you've got your charging cable in there, so that's when you get your some extra ear tips as well in there. So that's what you get in the box. So let's just bring these back in. So these are just cellophaned up here like that, and these are the new Soundpeats Pop Clip 2. So this is a nice like matte finish case. Just pick up a few fingerprints. There's a USB socket in the back there for charging, and I'm going to open them up. So that's what they look like in the case. So very nice. So let's just get one out of the case. So yeah, so these are them here. So these are earbuds that clip on to your ear, and you can still hear the outside going on. I do like the design of these. So yeah, that's what they look like. Got your charging contacts there, and there's a speaker. So yeah, this is what they look like outside of the box. So really nice design to just clip onto your ears, and you can still hear what's going on. I'm going to show you what they look like and tell you what the sound quality sounds like on these new Soundpeats Pop Clip 2. So yeah, and I'll give you my thoughts on these as well, of what I think to these and who these are for. So let me show you what they look like when they're on. Right, okay, so what I'm going to do, I am going to get them out and get them connected in my ear. So this is them in the box. They are charged. So I'm going to show you what they look like in the ears. So let's get one of them out. So that's how they just clip on and just sit in your ear like that. Yeah, so they just go in there and sit there. So that bit there, the back bit, you can see that goes on the back, and the speaker one just clips in to your ear like that. So get them nice and comfy. So that's what they look like when they're connected into your ears on both sides. So let's just hear what they sound like. I'll tell you what the sound quality is like. I'll just get some music on. Saying that they sit in your ears, and you know, I can see everything, hear everything. I mean, yeah. They did make another version of these before, but I do think these sound a lot better. Yeah, I'll show you the app as well, what the app looks like. Yeah, the sound quality is really good. You've got some bass. Obviously, because they're clip-on, they're not going to be bass heavy like AirPods or any other wireless earbuds that stick in your ears. But yeah, I'm impressed with these. So that's what they look like when they're connected to your ears. I will show you the app now. Show you the app. It's got some few basic controls on there. So I'll show you the app now. Okay, so this is the Soundpeats app on my phone. So you've got the headphones there, then you've got the spatial audio setting there, you've got game mode, and you've got dynamic EQ, which changes the sound, and then you can go on here and you got adaptive equalizer, so you put them in so that tests like the dynamics, you know, make sure you've got them connected correctly. So that's a really good setting. And then you got your presets here, you got your Soundpeats classic default sound, treble enhancement, bass reduction and bass boost, and you can do a custom setting as well. So, and then you've got just like your normal information on there. So the app's quite basic, but this is the app that you download from the App Store or the Google Play Store. So yeah, this is the app that you got to download onto your phone. So that's what it looks like. That's the app for the Soundpeats Pop Clip 2. Right, so what do I think to the Soundpeats Pop Clip 2 clip-on earbuds? So these are earbuds that are really good if you're in the gym, walking or anything like that, and you want to just keep your awares about you, so you haven't got like overhead headphones on or stuck in wireless earbuds. The sound quality is really good as well, saying that they are just clip-on. The bass is, you know, not as punchy as like you know, earbuds that go into your ears, but yeah, you can still hear the bass, and you can tweak them in the app as well. The top section as well, really good, and the mids are really good as well. So yeah, these are a good improvement from the first ones that Soundpeats did make. Yeah, I am really impressed with them, and the comfort as well. When you got them in your ears, doesn't even feel like they are in your ears. So yeah, I do really like these earbuds. So I will leave the link below of where you can purchase these earbuds. Put in the comments if you've purchased these earbuds as well, because they are really good quality by Soundpeats. You know, I have reviewed quite a few wireless earbuds from Soundpeats. You can go back in my videos and have a look at them. But yeah, I do think these are really good improved version from the first ones, and you know the sound quality is really good. So if you enjoyed the video, if you could like, subscribe and comment on this video, that would be much appreciated, and I will see you all again in my next YouTube video on BKM Tech Reviews. Have a nice day. See you all again soon. Take care.